Hey, tell me when you want to start recording this, man.
Any last wishes?
Count down from 5 and I'll finish, alright?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, man, it won't record until you got to the end.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, David, it's your turn.
He's gonna bust his ass. Oh my
Look,
god.
as soon as you jumped on me, I ain't
David, you might be too tall.
Oh my god.
Break my leg, man.
Look, it caught you right in the middle of it.
Nah, not really. I
Why don't you try it?
No. I think that's stupid.
Man, they're dumb. Oh my god.
David, I love you. I love you.
You're stupid. Go ahead.
It's your first time, man. Come
Your
on.
feet too big.
Y'all remember
Your
this?
feet
Too big.
Make sure you hold on to the sides good.
Hell no.
Ow!
Too big for that damn thing.
Get down.
I knew you was gonna fall. Dylan, you do it.
Hell no.
David did it and Brandon's doing it.
I'm too scared.
Oh my, hey,
I'm gonna put the ice down here on the stairs.
my feet are too big for that damn thing.
I want him to fall down. David, you're retarded.
Do it head first. On your stomach, head first.
Huh?
Head first on your stomach.
Yeah, look, breaking his damn neck.
I think I should let go of this thing.
Yeah. Do it with
Let go about halfway down.
You're right. He almost didn't make it.
Right there.
Yeah, that was a good one right there.
Alright, then it's your turn.
Hell no.
Dylan,
Gotta do
it's
it.
your turn.
Me and him did it, and I almost killed myself.
Yeah, I said before he did it, I want to do it.
Dylan, come on.
Hell no.
Stand up?
Nah, sit down.
Oh, okay, I feel sorry.
No, you definitely bust your ass.
I'm not doing this shit.
Why, Dylan? Come on, go be a good